What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to use the vidIQ competitors tool. Or in other words, how to spy on your YouTube competitors using vidIQ. So of course, for you to use this tool, you will need to have an account opened with vidIQ. If you don't have an account already, I will leave a sign up link in the description below. So once you set up everything and open up your account, this will be your dashboard. So from your dashboard, take a look at the right hand side and go to the competitors right here, this eye icon. Here at first you will just see some random videos because you didn't add any competitors yet. So this is how you add your competitors. So once you find a competitor's channel, simply copy their channel's name, this one right here, and go over back to vidIQ and paste it right here. Now once you paste it, all the channels with that name will pop up. So you can just select your competitor, and from there on they will be added to the competitors list. So once you added that competitor, the videos from that channel will appear right here, as you can see. And this list is just the outlier videos from all the competitors that you have added, which in other words means the videos that get more views than usual in the shorter period of time. So as you can see, this video is posted just 15 days ago and it already has about 15,000 views. And if you want to change the time period, you can do that right here. So I have it set on monthly, but if you want to find even earlier video ideas, you can set it to weekly or even past 48 hours. And here you will get some really fresh videos that were just recently posted that already rank really well in search and are getting a lot of views. So if you scroll down past this list, you can find this graph with all the competitor channels that you have added, showing you different statistics in a chart pattern. So you can choose views, subscribers gained, public videos, etc, etc. Also, if we scroll even more, you can find even more detailed statistics for each channels. So that's how you can use vidIQ competitors tool to spy on your competitors and get some new video ideas before they're saturated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.